Professor Z, I'm not cleaning the school.
Principal Zachary. Miss Trent. I had hoped, by giving you detention, that you would learn a willingness to uphold the school rules. But this flouting of my orders.
What's happened to you? I thought that you understood me.
Well, I wish I could, Josie. But your flagrant abuse of this institution and its rules leaves me absolutely... I'm talking to you. Missy, if you're not careful, I will fail you.
You failed me already.
No. Not another word out of you.
Or what?
Everybody just chillax.
Or what?
I'll expel you.
You can't expel me.
You're expelled.
Because I quit.
What?
No way.
You can't throw her out. I just did. And I can do the same to every one of you.
So out of here.